Hello and welcome to the user guide instructional video for the Simple Machines unit of the Science Olympiad Flipped online course. In order to access your course, first go to the Weebly and then from the home screen select Simple Machines. As the screen loads, you'll notice this common header which is on every single Simple Machines page. As you scroll down, there is the short introduction to Simple Machines. This is an online self-paced course that will take you through 3 different modules. Because this is the online portion of the flipped class, you will have special instructions from your instructor as to when these things need to be completed in order to be able to participate in the face-to-face settings. In each module, you'll have the opportunity to learn about the 6 simple machines, how machines decrease the energy needed to do work, and how to construct and manipulate simple machines. To begin, you're going to start where it says Start Here, User Guide. That's where you went to access this video. Notice now the video isn't over here yet because it's being recorded now. A few things about this module, or about this unit as a whole. You have required assignments for each module, and then there are also optional materials. So as we go through each one, I'll be sure to let you know which things are required and which things are not. So down below, the first thing you should do before you start completing anything in this unit is the Simple Machines pre-test. This will be the same one that you take as your post-test. So to begin, all you'll do is enter in your email address and then answer all of the questions through here. You'll go all the way down to the bottom of it and select I'm not a robot or it won't score it, and then hit submit. Then you'll immediately get your score, and the score will also be communicated to me as your instructor. Once that's finished, you're free to go ahead and begin. You'll go back to the Simple Machines tab at the top and scroll down to modules 1, 2, and 3. It works best when you follow them in that order. Now, you might have different background knowledge on Simple Machines, so you may or may not need to use all of the resources on this page to complete the assignments. If you do, there's anything that says Step 1 that is technically required. So the first thing that you're going to do for Module 1 is you are going to watch the video. The video is recorded with Screencast-O-Matic and created on eMaze by the instructor. Then as you go down, you have some read and review opportunities, followed by a Padlet activity. The Padlet activity is a required assignment that will be used to count towards your participation. And then at the bottom there is a Show What You Know. These are great self-checks to make sure that you are understanding the content in the unit. Okay? Once you have done that, notice your Simple Machines module buttons pop up again. When your module buttons reappear, that means everything below it is now considered an additional resource. So you've got some songs down here, just some great videos of experiments that you can do with each of these Simple Machines that are just very basic introductions to Simple Machines. Once you finish Module 1, you can go ahead to Module 2. You do not have to stay on each individual module sorry, I don't know what happened there. You do not have to stay on the initial module for each one. You can go straight to Simple Machines Module 2 and then go back to Module 1. Or if you finish Module 1 quickly and you've got some extra time during the week and you want to go ahead and start working on Module 2, please feel free to go ahead and do so. Module 2 begins with a comment created by the instructor, followed by your same steps that you were given in Module 1. There's a video right here that is embedded from YouTube about work in Simple Machines. Then you're going to follow the directions to edit your Padlet from Module 1, and then you have another Show What You Know. Now that your module buttons have reappeared, down at the bottom you do have access to some additional resources as well as vocabulary practice through Quizlet. Okay, then we're going to go back up here to Simple Machines and Module 3. And then for Module 3, it is all about manipulating Simple Machines. The first thing that you're going to do is click on this virtual lab. The virtual lab is required. After you complete the virtual lab, an infographic is provided by your instructor. And you will see if the conclusions that you drew from the lab were the same as what is in the infographic. If they're not, that's what you will discuss in Step 3. You're going to create a video diary entry answering these questions and post it to Padlet. Okay, once you are finished, you're going to return to the user guide and take the post assessment to see your growth. You'll follow the same directions as before and submit it just like normal. And from there, you will have completed the online portion of this flipped unit for Simple Machines. If you have any questions, please remember that this user guide here has a lot of your answers to any questions you might have in this video. If it does not answer your questions, please feel free to email me. Best of luck, guys.